think if I drink coffee without having anything to eat, I think I might pukerella. I don't know. The wind is howling. The boat is bucking. The alarms don't go off for another hour, but we're up anyway. The reason we're up is because we're a little bit nervous if our anchor drags and we go into the Everglades, no one's ever gonna find us because we don't have any cell phone reception and we've seen one boat go by yesterday.
Yeah, I'm pushing the buttons. Let's go turn this sweet old puppy on.
Okay, fire in the hole. We are passing under 5 Mile Bridge right now near Isla Morada. We are going to hook a left and head to Biscayne Bay. Okay, there's the old bridge there underneath. We're gonna go under this one. It's 65 feet. We are 60 feet. This is very scary for me.
The current's ripping, eh?
Yeah, the current is ripping. Woo! All right, you guys, we are on the other side. We are now officially on the East Coast. High five. Woo! We got a fish! Woo-wee!
Did you not see that? Good job!
No, I didn't. I just hope it's something. You lost it. No, you didn't. I think we need to reef.
I'm just gonna spill.
Okay. Sorry, we just lost everything from the port to the starboard side because we are definitely stowed like professionals right now. Said no one ever. You want to do some furling?
Yes, please.
Okay. Another 80 miles tomorrow, and we'll be back in West Palm Beach where all of our tools are. Joy is coming to help me with the upholstery. We'll varnish and then she's gonna look really, really good. And I am super excited to be getting back to the Formosa, but we do have to wait for the snow to melt. So maybe there'll be time to go to the Bahamas. So the plan is to sell both of the boats, the Hunter and my 29 Cal Little Miss, and put those funds towards the rigging and the mast and fixing her up and getting her ready for Alaska and then the South Pacific. I am so excited. This morning when we crossed over from the Gulf to the Atlantic, I'm like, we're in the Pacific. My mind is just so focused on checking out those waters. I'm really excited. It's always been on my bucket list. Well, at least since I've been sailing. I am very proud of us for all of the miles that we covered today and the way that the boat handled, even with that little bit of missing rudder. She points so well, and my mind has definitely been changed about hunters. This has been really a joy to sail her. The engine runs perfectly, and I am so thankful. I have not owned and operated a boat that has worked so seamlessly as this one, and my hope and my goal will be to get the pirate ship running as good as this Hunter. So you guys check out this beautiful almost sunset, and we are just approaching Miami on the horizon. Been here before, and there's these really interesting houses on the water that are like lifted up on stilts. I'm gonna try to zoom in and see if you can see them. Anchor down.
Hot. Hot, but good. 10 out of 10.
Thank you.